Let's clarify a common question coming up with adding a triangular rib to a cylindrical object. I'm going to add a sketch on the front plane. I want to pick up this edge here, but when I try to put a line and stick to the edge, notice that it's not making itself available as an option. The Use Edge tool helps and allows me to pull that edge as a sketch item. So when I finish my triangle, I can add a dimension. Let's make this line stick on the plane and extrude that sketch. So when I try to extrude the sketch, it doesn't intersect with the cylindrical object. If I look from the top, I can see what it's trying to do. It takes that line, extrudes it front and back, and I get this gap here. So it's not going to allow us to create it as part of the same object. It will let you make it a new extrude, but that's not really what we're looking for. It maintains that gap, which is incorrect, and it creates these as two separate parts. So let's make a modification. I'm going to turn that extrude off. I'm going to make a modification to the sketch. So instead of using the outside edge as my projected geometry, I can use the inside edge as a projected geometry. And now I can also find a tool called Extend. The shortcut for Extend is the X key. And I can extend this inclined line all the way up to that inside edge. I think I also need to extend the bottom line to that inside edge. If I want it fully dimensioned, I'll need to give a distance here. Okay. Notice it's not poking up above, so that's okay. And when I extrude sketch 2, symmetric, it's fine as it added on to the existing extrude. Another tool I'll show you is the chamfer. The chamfer looks similar to the fillet. Chamfer allows us to come in and create a cut on the inside of the object. There's a couple of different types of adding chamfers. We'll use distance and angle. The angle's typically going to be 45 degrees, and the distance is the distance on this one side of that chamfer. The fillet tool, instead of making a straight line cut, makes a rounded geometry. And you can select edges for fillets to make those nice rounds.